You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are a heel. You're as cuddly as a cactus. You're as charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch. You're
Welcome to the Mother-Daughter channel. I'm Keish.
I'm Ellie.
So we have Cindy Lou Who today.
I was real little guest.
Yeah, Ellie's playing Cindy Lou Who.
It was actually kind of hard.
Show them what you got for your birthday.
So, Alice was opening my presents. So she was editing our last video. Like, remember to look. Me and my friend were feeling the presents. I could guess none of it. And then, for one part of it, I got elf brushes. I got my own brushes. I got these bags, which my friend's mom got me, which kind of helps. And then this, I gotta be careful with, okay? It's the Grinch Look palette thing.
Yes, it's the Grinch PUR, the collection.
I can kind of use the lipstick
And
once.
watch this. Ready, you guys?
It's so cool.
The Grinch.
There's more to it.
And then you pull it out, and all the pieces come out. And it has hold on, Ellie.
Moon changing lipstick, I should say.
Lip stuff, lip gloss. It has a highlighter, a blush, and all these eyeshadows. So
I really like this.
we decided
Should we do a look?
to do her hair like Cindy Lou Who, and to do a makeup look.
Can I come up now?
Yeah. So show them your hair. Look at that. We put a bow up top. Okay, sit back. They don't need us to be that close. So.
Okay, we're late. Okay,
We're late. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do a look, Cindy Lou Who.
Okay.
Wait, say Cindy Lou Who.
Cindy Lou Who. I can't say
She was
it.
saying something else this morning. I don't even know what
I
she
was
was
saying
saying.
Lindy.
Yeah, she's like saying Lindy Lou Who or something. I don't even know what she's saying. But we're going to try out her new elf brushes. She got a whole set. Comes with a whole bunch of eyes. But let me just tell you.
I got a mirror too.
Yeah.
From her.
These red and green glitters are the most perfect, amazing.
Yes.
Look at this.
Watch.
Red.
Like, put it on me.
Oh my gosh, just look.
Okay.
Look at this. So
Those are good
amazing.
for like a Christmas party.
So we are about to do first. Let me grab my makeup set real quick.
Go grab your makeup.
My makeup brushes.
Do you guys notice we were matching shirts?
I got my brushes.
See, she has like the better foundation.
So turn
brush.
at me, Cindy Lou Who. Close your eyes. We're gonna go in
Your
with
hands.
Maxie.
Maxie.
Ooh, that's
Max.
yeah, that's their dog's name too.
My dog.
We're gonna. Ooh, that's really nice.
I'm wearing this.
We're gonna put that all over the lid. Now, in the crease, this is probably good stiff. I wanted to do two different looks. One's gonna be the green, one's gonna be the red. So we're gonna put a little bit of green in the crease. On this side, this might be too big. I don't trust that one.
She doesn't really trust any brushes.
I put green in this crease. And then, what I wanted to do, these prettiers are pretty.
Can't really see it. She can't talk.
These
good.
colors are so pretty. And then I'm going to take this green. This is almost,
Oh
this
my
might
gosh.
want to use my finger. It's just like, I kind of got it on your lower lash. Let me put a little bit of this, Who Cares color.
I don't care.
Look up. On the lower lash line. And then I'm going to blend it out.
If you hear noise, that's my brother.
Right, Colton. I'm going to go back in with Maxie. And blend up the top.
Maybe I missed
Ooh!
it right here.
The only thing is this glitter, y'all. Cindy Lou Who, I'm sorry. It's kind of goes up the... falls out, but at the bottom. So you might want to wear a eyelash shield.
What's that?
So that, like, see that how that glitters everywhere? Okay, so in the crease, I'm going to go in with Cindy Lou Who.
Let me see.
There's actually is called Cindy Lou Who.
They named them.
With the flat brush. Naughty.
Wait.
So Mr. Grinch is the green sparkly one, and the red one is Naughty. They apply better with your finger, but it got everywhere when I did that. It's really messy. And then I'm going to go in with Cindy Lou Who at the bottom lash line.
Hang on.
So she has two different eye looks. Get up there and close your eyes. One with the shimmery green and one with the red green. Yes, yes. Now I wanted to try it because it comes with a highlighter and a blush. I want to use the blush. Ready? Smile. Ooh. Pretty. Your bangs are falling. Okay. Other side. Whoa. Look at that. That's actually pretty. Turn to the side a little bit. Yeah, I'm sure y'all can see that. Okay, now we're going to try out this highlighter. Frosty.
I'm feeling frosty now.
Oh my gosh. Turn your head. Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
That was with the fan brush.
This fan brush is probably really good.
Use this highlighter brush. Oh, that applies it even more better. That's turn your head. Watch this, you guys. So nice. That is so. I can see that. Watch. Let's see on my skin.
Oh, your skin. Oh, not really will show. It kind of shows.
Oh, you can see it definitely. But I don't
It's
have
so
any. I don't have any
weird.
makeup on today. Don't laugh. But
Anyway.
anyway.
Try to laugh challenge.
No, so I used Mr. Grinch, Naughty, Cindy Lou Who Cares. There's a really pretty yellowish color. I mean, all these colors are really pretty. I love it. The only thing is, with the sparkly glitter colors that I put on her eyelids, you might want to use your finger, but you might want an eyeshadow palette lid. Or eyeshadow palette lid.
What are you talking
Eye
about?
shield. That though. It just kind of, it falls out. There, that's a little better this time. We just did that one. I just did it again. Oh, she has wipes over here.
Yeah, I have wipes
Okay.
over here because I'm wiping off.
Let me see the red again. See, just look at that. So
Oh, if
pretty.
we go deep.
Close your eye. Close your eyes. Yeah, so with the Mr. Grinch and the Naughty,
Ow.
the two sparklies, definitely use your finger, but watch it.
Look, I got an award. It looks like one.
Oh, and it came with this.
You forgot about it?
It's the only color it has been on her lips is pink. Right? Roll your lips together. It's only been pink.
So it means cool, because we looked it up.
We looked at the mood ring colors, but I don't know if that's what this is supposed to do. It just says, after I read it, it just says, color changing lip balm. So I don't know. Is it a mood lip balm or is it just a color changing? Like it's supposed to change, but what does she have to do to change it? Look at your lips though. I mean, they're pink. They're pretty pink. Look at Cindy Lou Who, you guys.
A mismatch. Look! Green.
These are real. This was $42, but I had a 20% off at Ulta, so it was $38. I want to say, good deal. I love it. Now, if there's any other holiday collections you want us to buy and test out, let us know. We might go buy it, you know, and try it.
This is mine.
But ooh, I love this. It's amazing.
I could wear this like to a Christmas party.
Yeah, we're gonna do. You can wear it to Christmases we go to, but I really just wanted to use both of those colors, and those look awesome. Awesome. I'll just have to work with them a little bit on the brushes, but like any glitter eyeshadow.
You got my tooth.
Yeah, any glitter eyeshadow though, with the brush, you really want to use your finger. So, what do we say? Please like and subscribe. Tell them. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
See y'all next
time.
Bye.
Bye.
Mr. Grinch,
Bye.
you're a bad banana with a greasy black peel.